Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas Day 3. Maybe I might film a video every other day because it might be hard doing it every day.
We'll try our best to upload as many as we can for Vlogmas, right? Almost every day, maybe every other day.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got today?
So,
What is that?
this is all my stuffies. I have like 50 of them, and my mom is gonna hide them all over the house so I can try and find how much I'm gonna try and find all of them in my house.
Wow, that's a lot of stuffies.
I got like 50.
All right, well, I'm gonna have to hide all of these things and you have to find them.
Squishies are a little bit easier to hide.
Okay, all the stuffies are hidden. Are you ready to find them?
Yeah, how do you do them that fast?
That took a while, I think. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I was reading my book.
See, they're all over the house except baby brother's room. Okay? Okay, ready?
He's sleeping.
Set, go. There's one.
Where's the sound? Oh, so.
There's some more.
Found.
Careful, don't hurt your teeth. Good job. There's some
I
more.
found one. Ladybug. In my bear.
Oh wow, you are fast. What the? Dang, girl. You are fast.
I'm quick.
Oh, dang it. You found the giraffe. Oh, what? You even guessed that one. Pantry.
Pantry? They're not food.
They're even hiding in the pantry.
They're weird. Anything. Anything.
Another one.
We found 4. I think I got 15 now. Nothing. 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 Wow, maybe food. In the oven?
Nope.
Why would they be in the oven?
I don't know. You think I'm trying to cook your stuffies?
Not in there. I think we might be eating. Not in there either. Okay, it's nothing.
I think you have about 10 more you have to find. Yep. Got another one. And another one.
Okay, no. Okay, nothing.
I wonder if there's anything around the tree. Pig and George.
That's not Pepper, George. Stupid.
Oh, it's two Peppas, sorry.
We're getting heavy. Good luck. Found you. That's close. Or cat.
Yay!
She's
Good
crazy.
job. Good job. You found 2 more.
Doggies, don't hide in Baba's clothes.
Where are you going?
of them already.
You got another one?
It's crazy.
Oh, you found your bear.
Yeah. Why would they be in there? Gross. I don't know.
How about we play hot and cold? So if I say cold, that means you're really not even close. If I say warm or hot, that means you're getting really close to where it is. Okay, ready? All right, cold, 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 freezing cold, cold, warm, 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 warm,
So hot.
still warm, hot, hot, hot,
Anything?
kind of hot, 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 hot. You did it, good job.
Bears hide in trays a lot.
So there's one more for sure. Okay? All right. Cold, cold. Getting warmer. Warm, 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 hot, 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 hot. Good job.
Stop hiding.
That might be the last one, actually. I don't know. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yay.
We found them all. High five. Good job. Dang, girl, you have a lot of stuffies.
That's like 1,000.
You have a lot of stuffies. Good job. Was that fun? Was
Yeah,
that
it was
fun?
fun.
I wonder how long that took. We'll see, I guess, when we edit this video. Uh-oh. What are you doing?
Watch. This is gonna be weird, alright?
Oh, wow, that's
This
a
is gonna
lot of
be-
stuffies.
this is-
You have a collection.
This is gonna be weird, alright? It's snowing. Cool.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.